In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your AirPods to your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. So you're going to begin by just navigating to the settings app on your watch, and then you're going to go ahead and select connections. Under connections, tap on Bluetooth, and from here, you should now be able to see the list of available devices as soon as you ensure Bluetooth is turned on. So from here, you're just going to go ahead and put your AirPods in pairing mode. So just go ahead and long press to enter pairing mode. Now, once your buds are in pairing mode, your AirPods are in pairing mode, you can now go back and scan for any nearby devices. And your AirPods should appear in the list of available devices. So go ahead and select them and then confirm you wish to pair. And once you do that, you can now use your AirPods to listen to any audio coming from your Galaxy Watch. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.